everybody, my name is Adina Diaz, your skincare guru, and I'm an esthetician based in Los Angeles, California, and I am a huge fan of Lotus Moon Skincare and Plain Jane Beauty. So when they reached out to me and they were like, hey, we have this new amazing thing we want you to be a part of, are you interested? I said, heck yeah. So what's the new amazing thing? They have a ECOBEAUTY BYTES subscription box. This is their beauty box and it is amazing. I'm absolutely in love with the packaging. I actually haven't opened it yet, so I'm gonna open it with you guys. But this is all full-size products that are gonna be curated every single month by a different person. So I am the month of January 2018, starting off the new year. And this box specifically, I curated it for winter skin, so winter woes. So this is a winter skin box and we're gonna open it together. So here we go. So the packaging so far is freaking awesome. It's beautiful, I love it. Ah, look at that. Oh, it's so pretty on the inside. All right, here we go. So all products are made in USA, Leaping Bunny certified, PETA approved, no parabens. This is a jam, you guys. And then it has a little verbiage in here. It says, celebrate your beauty wildly and unapologetically. Beauty is a vibration, a spirit that lives within us all, uncovered and celebrated. That is so beautiful and motivating. I mean, I am ready to take over the world right now. All right, so here we go. Let's get rid of this stuffing. Oh my God, yes. Oh, yes, 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 yes. So awesome, full-size products, you guys. All right, so the first product that I chose was the green tea and lavender cleansing milk. The reason why I chose this product is that you can use it for all skin types. You can do it day and night. And the bonus, you can use it with a cleansing device. So it gives a nice slip and feels great on the skin. It has green tea, lavender, it's antioxidant packed, and it smells divine. So there's that, green tea and lavender cleansing milk. Then we have the cardamom and bamboo polishing cream. The cardamom bamboo polishing cream is going to be great for all skin types because it has lactic acid in it. Lactic acid is a hydrating acid, so it's going to eat and digest the dead skin cells, helping improve the tone and texture of the skin. It has the exfoliant beads in it, which are made from jojoba, so it's biodegradable. It's not gonna pollute on any level whatsoever, and it's not gonna be abrasive to the skin. It's gonna glide on the skin, so it's not gonna cause small little lacerations like a walnut or apricot would. This is great for in the shower. I do this about 2 times a week and split it up like a Monday and a Friday. So love cardamom bamboo. And then next we have the hyaluronic acid intense serum. So this is gonna be great for all skin types. However, if you have oily skin, you don't have to put a moisturizer on after this. You can do it just by itself. If you have dry skin, serum always first and then a moisturizer. This is anti-aging. It's like a drink of water to the skin, and it's gonna help with environmental damages. I love this one. This is a top seller here at my place in Los Angeles. And then we have the Lotus Moon HYDRA Therapy Roll-On Eye Serum. I am a huge fan of eye serums because it goes neatly into the skin. Your products and your makeup set perfectly fine. They don't feel smudgy and heavy. This is a combination of hyaluronic acid, rose hydrosol, and vitamin E, which is all hydrating, nourishing, depuffing, anti-aging. All skin types can use this. Do it day and night. And it's really easy application as well. Then we're gonna go into the makeup portion. Woohoo! Plain Jane Beauty, which I'm wearing all of Plain Jane Beauty. So this stuff gives you medium to full coverage, depending on how you apply it. They set you up with the Plain Jane's palette. So this is a multifunctional palette because the inside of this has a magnet on it, so you can it's interchangeable with different eyeshadows. So you keep the palette, which is eco-friendly, and all you're exchanging is actually the eyeshadows. So you are being so eco-friendly to the environment and not wasting packaging and products on a mass scale. So this is super awesome. I'm obsessed with Plain Jane Beauty. Everybody knows that. I love, love, love Plain Jane Beauty. And the eyeshadow I chose for the month of January is Sandstone. And the reason why I chose Sandstone is very versatile. All skin tones can rock it. It's very buildable. You could do contour, you can do glitter on top of it, or just wear it by itself for a natural look. And you guys get a bonus as well. In the month of January, you get some Palo Santo. So Palo Santo is amazing for cleaning out the bad energy in the space. I do this every single morning when I wake up. I light the top of it, blow it out, and go around my whole entire body, getting rid of that bad energy, setting myself for the day. I also meditate with it, and not only did they give you guys Palo Santo, but they also gave you guys a healing stone. So this is amazing for holding your hand and meditating with and just realigning, setting yourself. Love doing this for in the spa to clean out the energy as well. This is just a great way to kick off the 2018, the new year, and just start off with a bang. We are going in with positive energy. Bye-bye 2017, here we come. So this is the subscription box, you guys, and I love it. It's fantastic. It has full-size bottles, eco-friendly, eco-beauty, no parabens, no animal testing. This is a green, holistic, natural, active skincare line that I believe in, and I'm so proud and happy that I could have done for them the month of January for the winter box. So that's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy, because I know I'm going to. Bye.